Google Analytics is a free website tracking tool and platform that collects data on how users interact with your website. Once the data is collected, Google Analytics sorts the data into reports that can be segmented by users, sessions, and events. In this video, I will show you how to create Google Analytics account for Shopify. First, you have to sign in your Gmail account and Shopify store. Then, go to Google Analytics website. Now, click on Start Measuring. Now, enter account name. Now, select the box. Scroll down and click on Next. Now enter property name. Select time zone and select currency. Then click on Next. Now select industry category. Then select business size. Then click on Next. Then select first 4 checkbox. Then click on Next. Then select country. Then select the box. Scroll down and select this box and click on I accept. Now enter your website's link and your website name and active Enhance Measurement and click on Create and Continue. Now click on Next. Then click again. Now click on Continue to Home. Now account is ready. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us.